New deals just dropped. Yes, new deals. We got the new modular storage system from Husky. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. We got a brushless trimmer kit here for $198. This is actually a pretty good deal with the 6 amp hour battery. However, this is not the fuel. Just keep that in mind. It's not the newest version, but it does include a nice 6 amp hour battery and a charger. It's pretty good deals. We got the Weber here. This is a cover, $28, and then 6-inch Milwaukee chain for $19.98, and a 20-inch for $31.88. Alright, so we got these batteries that were on sale for the Ryobi days. They're cleansing these out. I believe some of these are still available online. Double check them. I got some knee pads 42 down from 49 gel, and then you got the Makita radio, job site radio there for $90. Guys, always remember to double check these prices if you're interested in an item. Make sure you guys double check with the associates. They do have special scan tools where these stickers might be out of date, so they might be a lot cheaper. So got a tool bag there for $39. You got a Milwaukee brushless toolkit for $160 down from $199, and you got a brushless kit there from Makita for $90. Pretty good, $10 off on that one. 6-gallon pancake compressor with a 2 1/8 brad nailer, $150 down from $199. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. These vacuums were around $70 something. That's what was on my previous videos. Actually last weekend at Home Depot. So right now is the $299, but it was around the $70, I believe $74 on clearance, or some sort of clearance. Alright, got a jack here. It's a 2.5 ton low profile for $179. We never go over these sections, by the way, so I just thought I'd throw in a few items. 3-ton car jack there. You got a starter, a digital power station there, and then inverter. So all those for $150, or each of them for $159. You got a battery charger maintainer, $69. A battery, like a tender, for $19.98. Jump starter cables, $28.98. You got a 2-piece groove joint pliers. These are pretty nice pliers. It's Husky, $21.97. High leverage pliers, $29.98 or $29.97. My bad. That's pretty good. That's a pretty nice set there. All right, so we got some combination wrenches, 10 piece for $34.97. Got some torque wrenches, 1/2 inch and 3/8, $94 and $84. They did raise the prices on these, by the way. Trap snake, 25-foot auger snake drive, $49.96, and you are able to put a power behind it, a power tool or something. High visibility vest, $43.97. Safety glasses, $19.97. I keep saying 98. Knee pads, stabilizer performance, $59.98. Demolition gloves, $27. Yeah, wait until there's a sale on those, because that's really expensive for $27. Most of these prices are pretty expensive, actually. But these are items that will be, like this was pretty good. $12.98 down from $14.98. It's a bucket tool bag. Not bad at all. And then they got the brand new XGT. Well, not, actually, it's not brand new, but to Home Depot it is. But they actually got a full line now of these. These are really expensive tools. I can't wait for hacks and, for them to be on sale so they could be somewhat, cheaper to affordable, you would say. So that is the rear handle there, 40 volt rear handle. Yeah, those are all $400 boxes there. That one's $200 by itself. I already got the 4-tool combo kit there for $269. It does include reciprocating saw lights, impact driver, and drill driver. We got plenty of them there. $32.47 for this 20 feet locking hose from Bridget. So if you guys need accessories for your Bridget vacuum. Alright, so these are new. These are the newer, the combo kits that they have. These are XR 20 volt and with the new power stacks. It does include a circular saw, an impact driver, and drill driver with the brand new power stacks. It does include a 5 amp hour battery and a 2 points or the 1.7s. So $399. That's actually a pretty good deal. $499 for this miter saw. This is the DW780, I believe. So this is top of the line DeWalt miter saw. It is dual bevel. It does have the bells and whistles. $129 for the 20 volt max battery powered pruner. That's it right there. 111, or actually 1,100 cuts. That's a lot. 21 piece for $19.97, and then you got the atomic hammer drill, $129. That's the kit with the battery and charger and bag. That's it right there. $279 for the brushless battery powered chainsaw. Still got the buy one get one free for the 23 gauge pin nail. This is actually a pretty damn good deal. If you guys do the hack, return that battery and charger, you guys are gonna get to keep that tool for a pretty discounted price. All right, same thing with these. These you got the buy one get one free. They're still pretty good tools. I definitely check these out. You got the 850. You got the ratchet, the drywall Cado tool. You got the impact wrench there for $219. Any of those will get you a free starter pack there with the 1.7 amp hour batteries. You got the 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries for $299. Then you got the ratchet impact driver there combo. You got these for hammer, steel rip and claw hammer, $24.97. Tape measure $24.97. Retractable utility knife $9.88. Those are all the deals that they got. They got a jump starter. That's the one that we saw over there. Up to a V8 engine. No, $159 for this one. So pretty nice. And then they got the compressor here for $219. This is a DeWalt Flex Volt. It is battery powered. It's made in the USA with global materials. 2.5 gallons, 20 volts. So it's pretty good. Alright guys, this is the brand new modular storage system just released at the Home Depots. Killer deal, guys. This is actually a really nice platform to get into. Great quality. You got the build out modular storage system from Husky. This is the tool case. Different combinations, pretty much as we've seen throughout the years. So it is very similar to the Milwaukee Packout. You got the holes there, indentation holes, so you guys could put your chargers or boards, whatever you want to put there. It does have a nice flat surface on the top, and it does have some nice latches on the sides. Really nice casters or wheels on the sides. And the best thing of all, it's very affordable, guys. It's very affordable at $154.94. You are going to get a pack out quality box here. And guess what, guys? These handles are removable. You guys see those latches there at the bottom? Just below the red latches. These latches, you're able to remove that the handle if you can't fit that in your truck with your tonneau cover. Alright, so these are IP5065 rated, impact resistant, dual lock release stacking, rigid metal latches, integrated accessory rail, recessed work surface, and then you got a full line of organizers and all that fit these boxes. This is the rolling tool bag, or the rolling toolbox, my bad. It's already late. It's already like 12 or 12:30 at night. I'm recording this graveyard shift here. Alright, so we got the organizer there. So you do get a smaller organizer just like the other, but if you guys look at here, it doesn't go back unless the handle's down. So that's one thing I don't like about that, but that's normal because all the other modular store systems are the same way. Once you put that down, then you are able to stand it all the way to the back. And that is the smaller organizer. Alright, we got the DeWalts. However, I did not get a price on these DeWalts because they did not have any stickers on them, but just to compare them for the quality. So these are actually pretty nice. I do own myself a a medium toolbox. Some of these toolboxes. And I'll show you guys something that they knew that they just barely came out. So we'll show you guys something new with the DeWalt that they just barely came out later on in this video. So, alright, so you got some nice organizers here at the bottom. Very similar to the Packout and the Husky modular storage systems. They're all the same, by the way. They all look the same. They're not the same, but they look around the same. They got all the basics, basic. Alright, so you got this this cabinet here that's on sale from Milwaukee Packout. You are able to stack it on top. Got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the accessories, 2 accessories on the left, you get a free hook. Alright, so you got a 4-inch straight hook from Packout. That's you're gonna get it for free when you buy any of the ones on the left, which are these. So you buy any of those, any 2 of those. You got the handle tool rack, the tool station. That is the tool station there, so you can put your drills there at the bottom. Show you guys pictures right now. And that is the rack there. You guys can put your brooms or hole saws or weed whackers. And then here you can put your drills and a place for your chargers and batteries. I'll show you guys a picture right there. An example. Tool station. And then you got your hooks there that you're gonna get for free. $14.97 for the 15-inch tool bag. This is a Husky tool bag. It's actually pretty nice. That's the way it looks. Nice pockets on the inside. I always like to keep myself a couple of those tool bags. I used to have a different kit. One kit for electricity, one for plumbing. You guys here get one. Alright, so this is the Packout. As you guys do see, this is actually pretty pricey. Do not buy this at full price. Wait for a sale on these unless you really need it. But yeah, just wait for a sale because these sales will come eventually. Especially for that Black Friday deals in November. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay subscribed when those deals drop. Sometimes they do sell out. Alright, so $179 for this, the total. This is actually not a bad deal. I would definitely shoot for this one or the right now the Husky. I think the Husky is a better option as of now. So, but yeah, these are actually pretty dang good toolboxes. They do come with organizer separators there at the bottom. And some metal latches there. These are heavy duty. I really like these boxes. However, Home Depot has a lot of boxes now, so I would definitely go with the Husky ones. Those are the best value for your money. And like I said, I do apologize. It's really late. I'm not my 100% right now. Alright, so this is another job box that they have. This is the Ryobi Link, which I will definitely stay away from this. I just don't like it. They try to do like a Packout system, but a lot of you do like it. But, it's your personal preference. But these drawers are pretty nice. The quality is pretty decent. But I would definitely go with Bridget or Husky. $74.97 for the 17-inch tote. It's actually a pretty nice tote. Very durable. Does have a lot of pockets inside and out. And it is compatible with the Ryobi Link system. That is a organizer. Just an example here how this thing works. I'll push the button there for you guys. So that's how you release the mechanism. Alright, so you got to build your own storage system. Now here's where you're going to see the newer plate that they have for the DeWalts. I'll show you guys that right now in a second. $65, $85 for the larger or medium toolbox. You got some organizers there for $32 and $49. And then you got buy more, save more. You spend $400, save $120. Spend $300, save $75. Spend $200, save $30. So that's pretty good. There is the plate, guys. $24.97. What that is, guys, it's a plate so you guys could stack. About time they came out with something like this, because the DeWalt has like 3 or 4 different systems. The DeWalt Tough System plates, this is $24, and it is compatible with the T-Stack. And guess what, guys? The Craftsman Versus Stack. Craftsman Versa stack and the T stack, they're compatible with each other. But check this out. Now you can be able to put your Craftsman stuff on top of this. Everything's compatible now with the DeWalt Tough System 2.0. So even if you have a DeWalt 1.0, you are able to still use this rack or this plate and stack up your Craftsman Versa stack or your T stack from DeWalt. Both of those. And your organizers, all the organizers are stackable with these. Those are all the ones that are compatible. Yep. So you guys are able, guys, you know, the DeWalt guys now, they got this, and it's not very expensive. It's actually a pretty dang good deal for $24. All right, so we got the organizer here for $49. We got a smaller, this is a half organizer. This one's $29.97. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. This video's already too long. It's already getting too late. I gotta upload this so I can go to bed, get to work early tomorrow, get up early tomorrow. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. You guys have a great weekend. Take care, and we'll see you guys on the next one.